Here it is, guys, the old-fashioned cocktail. Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, I'm gonna make dinner and thought I'm gonna start off this dinner with a cocktail, and I'm gonna bring you along for my all-time favorite cocktail, the old-fashioned. So let's take a look at it. All right, let's get this going here. I'm gonna do a couple dashes of Angostura Bitters. I like to add just a little bit of my cherry syrup to that. I don't have any homemade simple syrup tonight, but I do have some store-bought. It's Bar Smith simple syrup. I'm gonna add about a bar spoonful here. And now we're going in with the kicker. 2 ounces of Four Roses bourbon. Use your bourbon of choice. I just happen to be using Four Roses tonight. Very good bourbon, by the way. All right, guys, I'm gonna add some ice. Get this thing chilled off. Get this cooled off here. Got me a Naval orange, and I'm gonna go just the rind right here. You're just gonna squeeze them juices right in there. A little rip. Orange goes in. Garnish with the cherry. Here it is, guys, the old-fashioned cocktail. Let's give this thing a taste. Because I know you can taste it right there with me. Guys, there's a reason this is my favorite. Them bitters, once upon a time, it wasn't called a cocktail unless it had bitters in it. So, and it's no different today in my book. So, guys, this is awesome. The old-fashioned bitters always stands out. Good bourbon always worked out. The original drink, I think, was made with a lemon. There's a reason they switched to orange. It just makes a world of difference. Guys, thanks so much. Please hit that like button, hit and share it for us. And please, if you haven't already, subscribe. We got more drinks to come. See you next time. Bye-bye, folks. God bless you.